class. I am by name Mistress Alima Ibrahim, and I am taking Mathematics JSS 1. Our topic for today is open sentence. And the meaning of open sentence is for you to look for the missing numbers that are given. Here are some examples. Number 1, here we have 20 minus 14. The final answer is not given. That is the missing numbers. And for we to get for we to get our answer, we have to subtract 14 from 20. This is the solution. We have 20 here minus 14. Here we have 0 and we have 4. 0 minus 4, it will not be possible. So we borrow from here, and here will be 10. 10 minus 4, we are going to have 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then our missing number here is what? 6. Let's go to number 2. Here, this answer is not given, and we are looking for the what? Missing number. We have 6 plus 10. For we to get the number given, we are going to have 10 plus 6. 0 plus 6, we have 6. 1 here, there is no number here. We bring it down, and we have what? Our answer is what? 16. That is the missing number. Here we have 15 divided by a number. We don't know the number. Equals to 5. 15 divided by a number giving us 5. We are going to divide 15 by 5. Here we have 15 divided by 5. And 15 divided by 5 will be giving us what? 3. 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. At least we are getting the missing number. Here we have a missing number plus 7, which will give us what? 7. And for we to get the missing number here, we are going to say 7 minus 7. And 7 minus 7 will give us what? 0. Our answer is what? 0. That means if you had 0 plus 7, it will give us 7. Here, the next one, we have 10 minus a missing number, which will be giving us 9. For us to get our missing number, here, we are going to subtract the smallest number from the biggest number. And we have 10 minus 9, which will be giving us 1. That shows that our missing number is what? 1. That means that 10 minus 1 will be giving us 9. Here, we have 5 multiplied by a missing number, which will be giving us 15. And for us to get our missing number here, we are going to divide the biggest number given by 5. And we have 15 divided by 5, which will be giving us 3. That shows that our answer here is 3. 5 times 3 will be giving us 15. Okay. Here, I want you to note that if it is division, you divide the biggest number by the smallest one. If it is subtraction, you are to subtract the given number. Thirdly, if it is addition, you are to subtract the given number, just the way I did it here. And the fourth one, if it is multiplication, you are to divide the number given, just the way we did the last one here by saying 15 divided by 5. Come back to the next class. Today we are going to be talking about word problem under open sentence. And here is an example of it, of a word problem. A student has AL-INARAH. She spent 150 naira. If she now has 320 naira, what is the value of n? Here we are to look for the value of n. N is the missing n is the missing number. And for us to get our missing number, we have, if you are given a question under word problem, you have to sit down and think very well before you start solving it. Firstly, here a student who have money. We don't know how much she's having, and they say she spent what? 150 naira. If she now has 320 as her change, after spending that 150, she now have 320 naira as her change. What is the value of what? N. Which is, if she now have 320 naira. And now we are looking for the value of what? N. Let's say n minus 150 equals to 320. Are we together? Here, we don't know the big number. And after we spend out of the n 150, our remaining change is what? 320. And for us to know the value of that n, we are going to collect the like terms by saying n is the subject we are looking for, missing number. So now we are going to say 320 plus 150. The reason why it turns to plus, when you are taking a number to the other side, it will now be what? Addition. It will not be subtraction again. So here, our n is equals to 320 plus 150. We now have 320 plus 150. 0 plus 0 will give us 0. 2 plus 5 will give us 7. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. That shows that our n is equals to 470 naira. That is the total amount of money she is having. After spending 150, she now have the change of 320. Now, moving to the next example here. Here is another example. A man has 28 goats. He gives n of them. Part of the 28 goats, he now gives some of them to his son and kills the rest. If he kills 10 goats, what is the value of the n? That shows that the man is having how many goats? We have 28. That is the total goats he is having. If he gives out 10 goats to his son. Okay. That's 28 goats. He gives out n to his son from the 28 and keeps 10 goats. What is the value of n? Let's assume you are having 28 goats and you give your son some part of the goats. The remaining one is 10. For you to get to know the n, you are going to say 28 minus 10. Since this is 28, that is the number of goats you are having, and you give out 10. Since you are giving out means what? Removing. That is subtraction. That is why we are going to be using subtraction here. You give out 10. That is 28 minus 10. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. We are now having 18. That shows that our n is equals to what? 18. And that is our final answer.